guys, it's April. Sunday sales, yay! The new Cricut Sale is out and it is valid through the 26th of March. I have already pinned the sale in the group, so if you're in the group, you can just click on the featured post and it should be there with all the links that you need. But if not, please shop my links down below. I greatly thank you for that. In advance, I will earn a small commission should you do that, and it supports the group and the YouTube channel, so thank you very, very, very much. Now, let's see. This week, you're going to get 30% off on vinyl, infusible ink, machine blades, and tools, and also, if you're an Access subscriber, you're going to get 40% off on maker-only materials. So you can see that I've got a little 5 up there, so I've already got some stuff in my cart because those are going to be my picks, and we're going to go over and take a look at those. Let's see, your machines sales. What's on sale this week on machines? Your Joy machine is at $169, the Air 2 $199, and the Maker at $249. So make sure you're checking those out because, guys, that's awesome pricing on those machines. And don't forget, if you have Access, you're going to get another 10% off those machines with Access. So that's a super, super deal for those. Let's see. If you've got $50 in your cart or more, don't forget to add the group code CraftHappy and save an additional 10% and get free shipping on orders of $50 or more. Or you can use the shipping codes from Cricut and get right here Marship if your order is $99 or more and you don't want to use the group code. So the group code gives you a little bit of leeway there. The group code only applies to applicable items, nothing that plugs in, nothing digital, things like that. So, and once you put it in, it will automatically apply to the items that it is eligible for. So no worries, we're going to show you how to do that. The table lamp Bright 360 is $199 and the floor $249. I think I covered all of that. Don't forget the new items that are available. Your Easy Press 3, the 12 by 10, the 9 by 9, and the bundles are available too. Hat presses and hat press bundles. And don't forget to get some of that extra strong grip heat tape while you're over there. So you'll find all of that in the group. You guys make sure that you're grabbing those new items. Love, love, love the hat press. So let's take a look at what my picks were in my cart. And you may see some blurring here. I'm just blurring out personal information should it show and nothing more. I will never hide anything that you guys need to see. My cart subtotal was $120.46. What did I grab? Guys, the premium fine point blades are on sale. They're usually $149.99 for 10 blades. They're on sale, $79.99. Okay? And then that makes them like $7.99 a piece instead of $14.99. Then you've got the genuine leather for the small projects, the small ones. They're out of one of the colors, but the other 2 colors are there. Guys, $5. That's awesome for making earrings. And felt. The felt is there. The felt is not on sale, but if you're an Access subscriber, it is because you're going to get 40% off of those for being an Access subscriber. Now, I am a premium Access subscriber, so you're going to see premium 20% discount here. So yours may vary just a little bit if you're monthly or standard Access. And then the Cricut Access sale. So it's giving me a discount on those felts there. And then I've got premium, so I'm going to get free shipping because I'm over $99. And then this is my discount for premium on any items that don't apply to the 20% discount that I get for being premium. So you're going to get that basic 10% discount with Access. So if I click on checkout, now you see that I've saved $29.04. And I'm going to check out now. Now remember, those blades are $149.99 normally. That's my top pick for today. And we come over here, and my subtotal is $91.42 after the Access discounts. But what happens when I put that group code in? Craft Happy. All caps, and apply it. Guys, $82.27. And I got 3 packs of felt. I got a pack of blades, 10 blades, and I got a pack of the leather. 82 bucks. The blades themselves are $149.99. So jump over there, grab those blades while they're on sale. Now is the time to buy them. That way you have them. If something happens and your blade goes dull and you can't cut, you have some on hand and you got them at a great, great deal. So those are my picks for this week. Please go out, shop, and use those links down below, and I will catch you next week. Have a great day. Happy crafting.